So welcome back to the last tutorial on how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube using the beginner's method. In this tutorial, we are going to solve the final 4 corners of the last phase. So, pay attention. This is the trickiest part. So, first we have to align the corner such that we can do the algorithm to solve it. So we have to use the first algorithm. Do this. U R U I L I U R I U I L, and just keep repeating it until you've solved this correctly. It can be orientated in this direction, or this direction, just that the colors are matching. So we are lucky we've solved two corners, so the last two are already matched correctly. Look, this is orange and it's here, this is white and it's here, so it's correct. This is red and it's here, yellow it's here, white it's here. So continue facing the same face, red face. For me it's more convenient, so to face the red face instead of the other faces. So next, turn this way and solve this using a very familiar algorithm to you, RIDI RD. RIDI RD. Don't worry about all these being scrambled because they will be solved soon. So for this, RIDI RD, and keep repeating it until it's been solved, and use U to align this, and we're done with the cube. And I must remind you that the RIDI RD for this case, you have to turn all the algorithms you do for the RIDI RD, they add up to 6 or multiple of 6, which is 12. So if it doesn't add up to 6 or multiple of 6, you are doing something wrong and you won't solve the cube. So you're done with the cube. So now I'll tell you a little bit about speed solving. So people enter competitions with certain Rubik's cubes using certain speed solving cubes such that they can solve the cube faster. For me, I'm using a Diane Zenshi, and it's really very fast. And this is just a beginner's method. If you are an expert at it, you can clock around 30 seconds doing it. But if you are not, you can get around 1 minute if you are fast enough. So I'll give you a solve. I'll give you a video of me solving the cube. So I'll be back in a second. And now I'm going to solve the cube. And this is just a retake because that solve was bad and I couldn't finish it in time at my grandparents' place. So now I have to solve it here at home. And as you can see, it's more quiet, so I promise you that the video qualities will be better. So let's start. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, well, I'm lucky, very lucky. I'm using the beginner's method, the one you all learned. So you can see it's quite fast if you master it. orange and yellow, orange and white, red and yellow, and we are done with the second layer. Continue. So let's see. And I'm done. Look, I'm really done. So that's how you solve the Rubik's Cube, and you can improve on it because my arm is currently injured and I can't solve it fast enough. So stay tuned to other tutorials, and I'll tell you something about speed solving now. And I'm using a Diane Zenshi. It's a speed solving cube. Among many speed solving cubes, it's one of the fastest, apart from the Moyu Huanying or something like that. I can't remember. The Diane Guhong, the Diane, many Dianes, and the Sheng Shou Aura or something like that, because I'm not very sure. So these are a few speed solving cubes which are really very fast, and they are all the improved versions of Alpha 5, which is like quite slow. So I may be making some videos on speed solving soon, or PLs and OLLs or F2L, so stay tuned.